When Abe offered his estimate to me, I had two others, one a little bit lower and one a lot higher, and Abe's came in right in the middle, and it included a lot of things the others didn't include, and it also had fewer exclusions or no exclusions, and the labor was guaranteed for 2 years. Labor and parts were warranted for 2 years. That was important to me. He assured me that he'd be here through the whole process, which he was, and I like that. I don't want a team of people that I haven't seen or are not familiar with the building. So that gave me a certain level of comfort. He was here every day. He cleaned up and everything. You couldn't tell he was here when he left, even though the job wasn't complete. And he completed on time and within budget, just like he said. And he went above and beyond. He actually fixed our awning for us, so that was really nice. He's a good guy. They left a lockbox during the process, and I was fumbling my way around it, and I called Abe. It was 6:10 in the morning, and he answered his phone and walked me through it and offered to come out when I still couldn't get it. It was a simple action of pulling the door toward me to release it, but he was willing to come out, and he didn't have to, thankfully. But he's always been very responsive and there whenever I needed him. They were great. They were reasonably priced. They were here from start to finish. There was no gap in between. The building was secure, and they were cleaned up, and they were on budget and on time. So excellent service.